video, we'll learn how to set up login with LinkedIn. So let's begin. First of all, log in into your Opencart admin. Next, click on extensions, again, modules, and then BlueCommerce social login. Click on edit. Now go to the LinkedIn tab. Here, as you can see, the title and the icon we have already selected. Now we just need to fill in the client ID and the client secret. So we'll learn how to create that in this lecture. So let's begin. Now click on this button over here, and then you'll be redirected to the LinkedIn developers page. Here we'll create an app which will finally give us the required client ID and client secret. So click on this create app button over here, enter the app name, enter social login. Here you need to enter the company name. So remember one thing, if you want to activate login with LinkedIn, you should already have a LinkedIn page. Okay, so I have already created a page. So as soon as I'll enter the company name or the page name, it will appear in the drop down. So I'll enter BlueCommerce, and as you can see, it shows this page. I'll click on this. Next, privacy policy. Let's copy the privacy policy link from the website. So again, I'm telling you, I have not filled in the privacy policy, but you should, because if someday LinkedIn goes through our privacy policy page and they find out there is no content over there, they may disable your login with LinkedIn. So for now, I'm copying this URL and paste it in the privacy policy URL. Business email, that's important. I'll enter our support email ID. Now we need to upload an app logo. This should be your website logo. So click on upload a logo. Remember, this logo should be square. For example, 100 cross 100 pixel, 200 cross 200 pixel, 500 cross 500 pixel, in that ratio, in 1:1 ratio basically. So we have uploaded. Now what you need to do, I agree terms. Now click in create app. It may take a few seconds and then it will show us a new page. So yeah, as you can see, it has redirected us to our app page. So now we'll enter our domain name over here. Click on add domain. Click on update. Now click on this verify. Click on generate URL. Copy this URL. Click I'm done. Open a new tab. Hit this URL. And now it will redirect you to this page. Here you need to verify an app with your page. So click on approve verification. That's it. Now go back to your app. Click on auth. Here you need to enter the redirect URLs. So again, the redirect URL for Opencart 2.x and Opencart 3.x both are mentioned in the description of this video. Please copy the auth URL according to your Opencart version. So as I'm using 3.x, I'll copy the URL for Opencart 3.x. I'll click on add redirect URL, enter it, update. So that's it. Now we need to enter the LinkedIn client ID and LinkedIn client secret that is mentioned over here. Yeah, so this is the client ID. Copy this and paste it over here, and this is the client secret. Copy this and paste in the client secret, and it's already enabled. Just save it. So that's it. We have completed all the steps to set up login with LinkedIn. Now let's go to the website and test whether it's working or not. So let's go to the website. Click on login. Now click on login with LinkedIn. And as you can see, we have successfully logged in into our Opencart using login with LinkedIn. It did not prompt me anything because I am already logged in another tab. So that's it. I hope now you have understood how to set it up for your website. If you still have any query, you can go through this video again, or you can raise a ticket to our support team. They will be happy to help. Yeah, thank you very much.